raw water resource for the Sungai Johor Water Treatment Plant in Kota Tinggi is primarily from the Johor River. So take a look at the geographical map that's been displayed. Johor River is not the only raw resource for the water treatment plant. There is always a backup resource to supply raw water for treatment, which is Ling Yu Dam. The dam helps regulate the flow of the Johor River to ensure a consistent volume of raw water available at the intake points, especially during the dry season. Screening process is the initial stage in preliminary treatment phase. Its primary objective is to remove large solid materials such as debris, plastics, and other floating objects, which can interfere with subsequent treatment processes. And for sustainability, efficient screening can prevent damage to infrastructure, reduce maintenance costs, and enhance the efficiency of downstream treatment methods.
Coagulation and flocculations are important processes in water treatment used to remove suspended particles and impurities. They help improve water quality and support environmental sustainability. Coagulation is the first stage where chemicals such as aluminum sulfide or ferric chloride are added to water. This chemical neutralizes the charges of fine particles, allowing them to come together. Rapid mixing ensures the chemicals are evenly distributed. Flocculation is the second stage where the water is gently mixed. Small particles combine to form larger clumps called flocks, which can settle or be removed by filtration. Sedimentation is a water treatment process where suspended particles are removed by allowing them to settle under gravity. It usually follows coagulations and flocculations where larger particles are formed. In a sedimentation tank, water is kept still so these flocks sink to the bottom as sludge, while clearer water flows to the next treatment stage.
Next is disinfection. After filtration, the water is disinfected, usually using chlorine. This step is very important because it kills harmful microorganisms such as bacteria and viruses, making the water safe to drink. Disinfection helps protect public health and prevent waterborne disease. However, the use of chlorine must be carefully controlled because it can produce harmful byproducts that may affect the environment if not managed properly. Now, let's look at filtration. In Johor, after large particles are removed, water passes through sand filters. This process removes fine particles, dirt, and suspended solids. Filtration improves water clarity and reduces the need for excessive chemicals later in the process. From a sustainability perspective, this is beneficial because it minimizes chemical usage and improves efficiency. However, filtration requires regular cleaning, known as backwashing, which can lead to some water loss and sludge that must be managed properly. Finally, storage and distribution. Once treated, water is stored in reservoir before being distributed to homes and industry through pipelines. This ensures a continuous and reliable water supply. Efficient distribution system help reduce water wastage and support sustainable development. However, challenges such as pipeline leaks and high energy use for pumping can reduce overall sustainability. In conclusion, the water treatment process in Johor, including filtration, disinfection, and distribution, plays a vital role in providing safe and clean water. While this process support environmental sustainability, continuous improvement are needed to reduce water loss, energy consumption, and environmental impact. Thank you.
As for the development, governing authorities help by approving a project that is going to be held by the company. Then the company will build a water-based plan for the water process stream.
The state authority play an important role in ensuring the supply of treated water to end users. It is responsible for distributing water from treated plant to pipelines and reservoirs to home, businesses, and industries. The authority also ensures that the water supply is continuous and not easily disrupted, even during high demand or emergencies. In addition, it maintains proper water pressure so that all users receive adequate supply. Regular maintenance of the distribution system is carried out to repair leaks and prevent water loss. Overall, the authority ensures that treated water is supplied fairly and efficiently to all areas.
Now, I will analyze the role of the governing authority responsible for managing treated water for end users in Johor. In Johor, the main authority responsible for treated water supply is Ranhil Sach Sendirian Berhad, which operates under the regulation of Suruhanjaya Perkhidmatan Air Negara, also known as SPAN. First, the governing authority plays a key role in water supply management. Ranhil Sach is responsible for treating, storing, and distributing water to household and industry across Johor. This ensures that clean and safe water reaches end users continuously and reliable. Second, the authority ensures water quality and safety. SPAN sets strict national standards for drinking water quality, while Ranhil Sach monitors and tests water regularly. This helps prevent contamination and protects public health. Third, the authority manages infrastructure and maintenance. They are responsible for maintaining pipelines, reservoirs, and treatment plants. This includes reducing water leakage, also known as non-revenue water, which is important for sustainability and cost efficiency. Fourth, the authority plays a role in sustainability and resource management. They implement initiatives such as water conservation program, upgrading treatment technologies, and supporting water reuse projects. These efforts help reduce environmental impact and ensure long-term water availability. However, there are also some challenges. The authority must deal with increasing water demand, aging infrastructure, and high operational costs. In some cases, inefficiencies or delay in maintenance can lead to water disruption, affecting consumers. In conclusion, the governing authorities in Johor play a crucial role in ensuring that treated water is safe, accessible, and sustainably managed. While they have strong system in place, continuous improvement is necessary to address future challenges and enhance service delivery. Thank you.
Aging infrastructure. Many water supply systems rely on outdated pipes and facilities, which can cause frequent breakdowns, interruptions, and inefficiencies in water delivery. High operational and treatment costs. Treating polluted water and maintaining large distribution systems require high financial and energy input, which can strain water authorities.
Another issues and challenges for water treatment plant is the primary problem. Most frequent issues include biological process failures, is bulking sludge, poor settling, nitrification upsets, and foaming. As for the mechanical breakdowns is pump cavitation, aerator failures, clarifier mechanism. For hydraulic problems is short-circuiting, hydraulic overloading, flow distribution. As for chemical imbalance is pH exclusions, nutrient deficiency, and toxicity. And monitoring failures is sensor drift, sampling errors, control system malfunctions, which require distinct diagnostic approaches and corrective interventions.